And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a 24 phone icon in Adobe Illustrator. Make sure in the view that your smart guides and snap to point are the only things activated, and we use the Polar Grid tool. You'll find that over here where the line segment tool is, and then use the arrow keys up and down, left and right to add segments to your Polar Grid. Hold Shift to have a perfect circle, and then align it properly. Doesn't matter how many segments you use, but you should be aware that we can't use the outer one. So you can see the inner ones, we can select them individually, but the outer ones, they are somehow connected. When you use the Polar Grid tool, keep that in mind, so always add another one on top. And now we'll connect these one, and we have our phone icon. When I hold Alt, I can get rid of segments. Let me show you what we don't need. I zoom in holding Alt using the mouse wheel. Alright, the phone icon is finished and cut loose from the Polar Grid. Now we'll take care of the circle. Let me find a good spot. Maybe this one's good. Let's see. Now we're going to get rid of everything on top. But maybe I'll make the circle one segment smaller. It's just a matter of taste. The one we have here, it would fit perfectly with the phone. Sometimes you want to have such an alignment, and sometimes it just doesn't fit your eye. So use what you like, and use these rules of alignment only if you like the results. So we can connect all of that. Circle and hold Alt to get rid of everything up here. Alright, now let's go to the next step. Make sure everything is selected, go to Object and ungroup it. Maybe you have to do it a couple of times until you can't ungroup it anymore. Now use the direct selection tool A and select the top left and the bottom left anchor points and press delete. Then use your selection tool, select the cut loose object, press the delete key and it's gone. Now we'll add the 24. Obviously it doesn't matter which font you use, I'll just use the default Myriad Pro. I'll hold Shift and over resize that. And when you align it, let us use the alignment menu. You need to keep in mind that there's a difference. Let me put the phone to the right a little bit with the arrow keys. But there's a difference between a text element and a form element, so a regular shape. I'll show you this. This is now font. Now right click, create outlines. I'll press Ctrl R and bring in a smart guide. If I select it all again now and use the align menu, you can see what happens. So the phone stayed in place, the circle also, but the 24 it moved a little bit. So there's always a difference between writing something as text as it has a box space in Adobe Illustrator and using the same align menu on a shape. You can change the colors like this if you want to increase the stroke size when you do, Go to Window, open your stroke menu and change the caps to round. I'll zoom in and show you what that does. Here was the one we had before in this round. So if you want to add that effect, I like it the way it was, so I press Ctrl Z until I've got the original back. Right click group, and this is how we can create such a 24-hour phone service icon in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.